guys, let's do this. Ayan, loading din na tayo guys. Off screen na. Balik na tayo sa steakhouse guys. Ayan, calendar. Let's arrive. What happened? Okay guys, let's start. Dito na tayo sa 12 guys. Lutuin natin ito na starch guys. So, guys. Dito na tayo guys. Okay guys, ready natin yung plate guys. Let's start the day. Hello sir, good morning. What can I do for you? Okay, steak sir. Hello sir. Wow, this is the steak sir. Thank you. Okay sir. Lemon guys. Saktan tayo guys. Kami ma'am, ayun na po, medyo ni-waste tayo, at least comment something na I develop to you. Okay, we do this. Thank you, what a nice. Thank you, madam. Nice job. 3-star, guys. Oh, what happened? 2-star lang din. Okay. What did I order again? Oh, that's right. I remember now. That's okay, guys. Step tayo guys, gawin natin 4%. Ito tayo ng grilling natin guys. Ayan, gawin natin isa pa, kaya pa, gawin natin na ito. Ayan, sinanda guys, station po tayo para mas marami guys. Okay na guys, thanks for watching.